Hi guys, I'm introducing my new JavaScript file upload library which I recently launched. It's called CustUp. It is a highly customizable JavaScript file upload library that allows very high customization. You can customize the UI, add your own UI, and a lot of other things that I'm going to be talking about in this video. And it also has cool UIs. It has like six it currently has like six different UIs that you can choose from, and this is one of the UIs that you can choose from. And also this is another UI, this is another UI, this is another one, this is another one. And also it also supports image generation with OpenAI DALL-E. I'm going to be adding other image generation AI API soon, and you can use it in you can use CustUp in vanilla JavaScript, React.js, Electron, Apache Cordova, and TypeScript projects. And the cool features among others are chunk upload, choosing the UI that fits your project, customizing the UI to fit your project, easily build your own UI with CustUp, attach multiple CustUp instances together for combined file upload, generate images with DALL-E 3, and TypeScript support. This you can with this feature you can attach multiple CustUp instances on the same page. You can attach them together and upload them together with a form field. Like if you have a form field, you can upload them together with the data in the form field. That's one of the things you can one of the cool things you can do with the multiple instances attachment feature. Okay, now let's get started. Let's check the documentation. This is the documentation. I can see if you want to this is the inspiration, how I got the inspiration um before building CustUp, because while I was working on a project that has it the project had a custom UI for file upload implementation, and because of the deadline I had to search online for libraries that I can use for the to integrate inside the application, and that I can quickly change the UI, but I couldn't find any then. And now I've created CustUp that fits into the description of the library that I couldn't find them. Now this video is just the introduction to this library. I'm not going to be doing much tutorial on how to integrate it. I'm just going to be showing you the cool features that you can do, or the cool features that CustUp has. Now it is on npm, and you can also include it either with pkg or with cdnjs. Quick start. This is the quick start. It's very easy to integrate. It doesn't The only thing it requires is only the target root element, and that's the only required option that you can pass into it. And after passing it, it's going to appear on the UI immediately. And these are the guides, basic guides, and also other stuff, the types, the customization, like the things that you can customize. You can customize the main UI style. Check the main UI style. Like to to customize CustUp is very easy. It's just by setting the options and providing your own customly declared CSS classes. Just pass it to it. Then if you set true, if you set true as the second argument to the array that you passed to the style, it's going to add it to the list of styles that is already in the elements. Like for example, in this outer container element, it's going to add this class, custom outer class, to the list of the CSS classes. And if you want it to be the only class, or if you want it to override previous CSS classes in the elements, just you can only either pass in a string or just pass in false here. And these are the CSS classes or CSS options to override um, or customize the CSS of each element. Like the CSS for the outer container element, the CSS option for the outer container element, this is it. For the custom file size, display, and so on. And for the media sources, and you can come to this stuff and come to this page or come to this section and read more about it. And also these are the options. With these options you can customize it, set so many things, change so many things in the library. And also the default UI option. For the default UI options, with this option you can use it to build your own UI, or to build a UI that fits into your project. And also properties, methods, events. There are cool events like the file events, file related events, media sources, or the events that are attached to the media sources, like the video recording, screen recording, file upload, and so on. And also the UI types. These are the UI types. These are the list of the UI types, the current UI types. Soon I'm going to be adding more UI types, and you can also add more UI type and submit your UI type as a pull request, because this library is an open source. I'm going to be showing you the GitHub repository for this library soon. Okay, and also there's a React.js version for CustUp. I released it, I think, early February this year, or late January. I think it was late January I released it. And also it also supports chunk upload. And these are like the implementation, and or simply the server side implementation for the chunk upload to get you started quickly. I'm going to be creating a separate tutorial where I'm going to be explaining how to integrate CustUp inside your project, and a separate tutorial on how to upload files to the server in chunks using CustUp. And also you can contribute if you would like to contribute just either to this documentation or to the main library. To contribute to the main library, this is the repository of the main library. This is the repository. And I think I should create a tutorial on how to contribute, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that. But so this is the repository. If you like to contribute, just create a pull request on what you contributed, and this is the repository, the GitHub repository. You can fork it, and you can also start it. Okay. And this is like a quick um a quick documentation on CustUp. I released it under MIT license, and this is the library on npm. This is it on npm, and the React.js version. This is the React.js version. So the latest version, the current version of CustUp is 1.0.5, and now this is the React.js version. And now let's check out CustUp. Let's see um this UI. It was a later UI, the most recent UI I created for CustUp. I got the inspiration from FileStack FileStack file upload library. If you know FileStack well, you see that this UI is very close to FileStack UI. And also this is another instance with another file upload with another UI. And also coming back to this place, you can check the example and see this is like a quick example implementation for CustUp. It's a job application page example, and this is the code. And let's check it out quickly. So let's start by checking the default feature, which is select files from device. So let's select few files. Okay, and you can also preview the files. And also this is another UI. And this is another UI. This is like a customized version of CustUp. Remove files. This is just like I made this like to show how CustUp can be customized. CustUp has like a container that is like the header container, and another footer container, and another container that is at the side, which is like the left side container and the right side container. And you can also customize the scrolling is also customized. It's a custom scrolling. It doesn't use the native scrolling. Okay, now one of the coolest feature is the image generation with OpenAI DLE. Let's generate image of a cat. It's generating it. Let's wait for it. It's not using version 3. It's not using version 3. Waiting. You can either just accept it. If the returned images are more than one, you can click on them and select the ones that you want. Then after selecting them, then click on this. It has been added. Yeah, it has been added. This was the image that was generated with DALL-E version 3. And this is the cool features of CustUp. There are more things that you can do with CustUp, and also there are other cool um file sources in CustUp, like the record video, record audio, and screen sharing, and so on, and other file sources like um, OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Box. Okay, if you like to contribution are welcome. I, I'm taking contribution. Just open a pull request. Open a pull request. Yeah, and yeah, that is all about CustUp. Thank you for watching this video. And also, I am going to be doing a separate tutorials on how to integrate CustUp into your project. Thank you.